Welcome to Kootanchoru Kutties Club. Before we start this video, I want to thank my viewers who have liked it and shared my. I hope you have a very wonderful time watching this video. Today we are going to do a craft which will pass your time during the lockdown. Now let's see what's the craft. We are the future generation, so it's our responsibility to take care of the environment. So today we are going to make an eco-friendly gift pouch. It can be used for various occasions. Now let's see how to make this. Now let's see what are the things we need to do this craft. We need scissors, glue, whitener, black pen and two markers, red and pink. Now let's see how to do this craft. First you can take your scale and then you keep it for 1 inch like this, and then you have to fold it. Now we have to apply the Fevicol on the folded side. Now we have to take the scale and we are going to stick this side to this side. Now as it sticks, we are going to flatten these sides very carefully and then we will leave it out to dry for 5 minutes. Now as we join them together, we are going to see how to flatten this slowly. After flattening them, you should iron the sides with your nails like this. This is going to be the back side of our gift pouch. Now we are going to do this part. First you are supposed to fold nicely like this. Then you can also do for the other part nicely. Now as we done that, the line is there, let your hand inside, both the sides. Then now you can see we have folded it here. We're going to let our hands through the opening, and when you flatten it out you will see 3 lines. You have to press the center line down to bring the other 2 lines up the other side. Now you can see like the envelope fold in both the sides like this. Now we are going to draw the expressions and faces. You can draw whatever you want on your craft. Now you can draw I'm going to draw faces and expressions on this. You can draw or stick any other decorations you like on this craft. Now as we draw the eyes, I'm going to draw the detail for the eyes. Then I will put the tongue. We will shade the mouth using a red sketch pen. Black we will do it. Now we are going to give as if it's blushing on the sides. And then again using the black pen, we'll carefully put around the white like that. Now I'm gonna give some nice eyelashes over this side. Now we are going to stick the bottom of the pouch. You'll keep 1 drop till the end. Then I'll spread the glue across. Now we are going to carefully, and then we are going to keep another dot. And now as we stick it over here, we'll leave it out to dry for 5 minutes. We can draw different face expressions on this gift bag, and then you can gift it to your dear ones. You can draw a face expression like one which is winking and one which has a O. Now I'm gonna draw the mouth like this, and then I'm gonna shade it here so it looks like the mouth is dark like this. You can take a red sketch pen and then color it over like this. Now the bag has dried very well. So we are going to do a zigzag bottom over here. And you have to cut it very small so that there won't be any openings. Like this. Now we are going to bring this out so it's nice and puff and it looks like a perfect gift bag. Like this. Now our gift pouches are ready. We can do it in various colors, expressions, faces and decorations. And you can also put anything inside you want. It's according to your occasion where you're going to gift them. Give them to your friends, family members and whoever you like the most. And inside I'm going to put some dry nuts. Like this. And now I'll do for the other. Now we are going to stick the opening so that and then you can do the zigzag cutting. Now our gift pouches are ready. I hope you also try making this eco-friendly gift pouches at home. This craft is very easy to make. I hope you guys try this craft at home and pass your time usefully in the lockdown and save our environment. Last but not least, please don't forget to subscribe, like it and share it. This is Jhanvi winding up the video and I'll catch you later with some more awesome videos.